Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save Excel sheets into separate files. Before I start, can I ask you to like this video and to subscribe to our channel? If this video is confusing for you or you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us and we will do our best to help you. You'll find the link in the description. Here's our source file. It has three tabs: customers, organizations, and people. I have already created workflow, which I tested, and I'm going to walk through it. So the first step we need to do, we need to clean up a directory where we will be saving our files. So this directory called temp. Just to avoid confusion, let me show where the temp is coming from. His directory, and it is linked to root. Examples root. Okay. So once we clean up the directory, we create a list of Excel sheets and save it into the file. So basically this file, for every sheet we have within our Excel file, we'll have a separate line. So in this case, we are going to have 3 lines. So the next step, we open the file and loop over every single line and assign a line value to this variable. Once it is done, we copy the file from source to temporary directory. We then rename it. Please note the variable name, so we rename it. And after that, we delete all the sheets except the currently selected. And we repeat the process, and once everything is completed, we delete the list of sheets file because we no longer need it. So let's just run it. Just press the green arrow as usual. Okay, so it's all completed. Now what we do, we'll go to the folder, and as you can see, we have just created 3 files. I check the contents. All looking good. Okay, thank you for your time. As you can see, Advanced ETL Processor can convert incredibly complex data into much more simple format. This can be automated in multiple ways. If you want us to assist you, please contact us and we will help you. Our preferred way of contacting us is our support forum, because we like everyone benefiting from the answers. Thank you for watching.